Hey guys, my name's Brandon. I'm 24 years old and I've been on the program for about 4 years now. I started losing my hair when I was about 17 years old, and I started noticing it at my hairline. I was kind of in denial about it because I was so young. It wasn't until my crown started to disappear as well when I got a haircut and I saw that in the mirror when she was showing what the back looked like. That's when I started realizing there was a problem. And I had originally gone to a herbal treatment that's local near me, but it didn't end up working. I was still losing my hair and I started losing it very aggressively. It became a race against time to either figure something out or just accept going bald. But being 17, it was made me feel very insecure because that's something you deal with when you're a lot older, not when you're 17. I wasn't even 20 yet, so it was a big hit to my confidence. So here's what my hair used to look like. You can see it's not something you could really wear out and people not realize you're going bald. I remember even seeing a meme as well where it says, when you're 22 years old but your hairline's 44. And I remember as soon as I saw that, it looked exactly like my head, and just things like that, massive hit to my confidence. I saw this article which said something to the effect of the cure for hair loss is here now. And it talks about this Dr. Nettles guy and how he does things and how different it was, how it was an actual personalized approach, taking your blood work. I ended up getting on the program and it took 2 weeks for it to start regrowing. That's when I started noticing the regrowth, which I know was quite early. My brother took about 4 months. From there, it's just getting better and better. I've even had doctors tell me I had late stage male pattern baldness, but if you have a look now, you wouldn't know there's a problem. And obviously once upon a time there was a very big problem, which was a big hit to my confidence. But now I'm able to go outside and I don't wear a hat anymore. It's a good feeling, because your hair's a lot like your identity, how you express your identity. And when that gets forcefully taken away from you, a big part of you's gone. And so having that back is pretty indescribable. Thank you, Dr. Nettles, and everyone at Stop and Regrow, because without you guys, I very upset and very depressed with my current situation. If not for you guys, I'd have little to no confidence without you guys. So I just want to thank you guys for what you've done, for looking after me, and for being with me every step of the way.